Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to resolve a quadratic equation or second degree equation. So the equation is x squared plus x minus 1 equals 0. Okay. So first we are going to remember what is a second degree equation. So in general we have a x squared plus b x plus c equals 0. Okay, so we have to identify the coefficient. So in our case, a is 1, b is also 1, and c equals minus 1. So once we have done that, we have to calculate the delta, which is b squared minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c. Okay. And then with respect to the sign of delta, we will have different solution. And if delta is negative, we'll have no solution in R. So let's calculate delta first. So delta equals b squared, which is 1, minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c, which is minus 1. So this is 1 squared is 1, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by minus 1. So it's 1 minus 4, okay, which is 1 plus 4, which is 5. So delta equals 5. So delta is superior to 0, it's positive. Therefore, we have two solutions in R. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of 5. So b is 1 here. Okay, so minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2 multiplied by, so a is 1, so 2 multiplied by 1 equals 2. Okay, so this is our answer. So here I have drawn the curve y equals x squared plus x minus 1. And here in red you have the two solutions. x1 equals minus 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Okay. So this is x1 and this is x2, okay, which is positive. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you very, very soon. Goodbye.